Hi everyone, my name is Suraj Namdara Chaudhary. I am doing my MBA in SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today's discussion subject is service management, operation service management. Topic is service design for bank and impact of technology on the same. The first slide is introduction. In the introduction, service design focuses on the overall services experiences and the design of service delivery process and strategy. It focuses on a crucial point of contact with customers such as initial contact, engagement phase and feedback on position consumption experiments. It means that banking is related to the customer and customer the first point comes in contact and how we can do contact with a customer. This design this design also very important factor in the banking industry. So that design is must and it focuses on crucial point of contact with customer. Third one is the planning phase must focuses on mapping all the key point where the client using the services meet the company. User motivation and feeling at a touch point should be analyzed first in order to design a service that complements the current processes with the results of the analysis and support the interaction between the user and the service provides. Service design in the is the shaping of service experiences that really work for people by removing the lumps and bumps that make them frustrating and then adding some magic to make them compelling. It is a very interesting point in the designing of a service. A service is a service plan is a actual experience if the in the forecasting of the banking industry. In the forecasting of banking industry we will get some points which are essential or which were not essential. Uh, if we go in the bank, then we will get a long row. Then how we can reduce the long rows there? What will be the implementation in the to easy handle of customers? It means that if there is a cash counter is only one cash counter, and in the same cash counter you have to uh, deposit our cash and withdraw our cash, but we will arrange there a two cash counter where one cash counter for withdrawal and one cash counter for a deposit of cash. Then we can say that it is our design plan points. In that we can improve our customer satisfaction in that in deposition and the uh, withdraw of money, so that it comes in the service design. So now needs of service design in banking industry. Service design thinking offers a perspective methods and tool set that will enable you bank to realize your business strategy as well as way to deal with internal and external challenges. It offers to tame and humanize technology, bring cultural changes in your organization, enhance customer experience. So now we will discuss here impact of technology on banking services. Technology have a great contribution to improve uh, banking sector, because in before some years ago there were no technology, only the documentation work, paper documentation work was in the banking. Some of them on the computers. Banking industry is backbone of Indian financial system as it ap- afflicted by many challenging forces. In today's era, technology support is very important for the successful functioning of the banking sector. Without IT and communication, we can't think about the success of banking industry. And it is a very true. because without IT and communication support we can't success in banking industry, because due to the huge transaction and the developing of economy country, the IT and communication section is the basic requirement of a banking industry. For creating an efficient banking system, we can respond adequately to the needs of growing economy. Technology has a key role to play, as earlier we have discussed here. In past 10 years, bank in India have invested heavily in the technology, such as telebanking, mobile banking, net banking, ATM, credit cards, debit card, electronic payment system, and data warehousing and data mining solution to bring improvement in quality of customer services and the fast processing of banking operation. So conclusion is here, information technology offers enormous potential and various opportunity to the Indian banking sector. This line says that the the big work can be easy by using the technology, and various opportunity will also create by the technology used in the banking industry. If you have one account in bank, and if we are busy in our work, so that if you have technology, you have mobile banking, and ATM is also you have, then you can take out your money within a minute without any time wasting, and without go to the bank. This is our benefits by use of technology in the banking. It provides cost effective, rapid and systematic provision of services to the customer. The efficient use of technology has facilitated accurately and timely management and increased transaction volume of bank, which come a larger customer base. Indian banking industry is greatly benefiting from IT revolution all over the world. Virtual banking or direct banking is now gaining importance all over the world. Technology is going to hold the key to future of banking. So we have given here IT devices in banking services. Electronic payment and settlement system. Electronic payment and settlement system is used for a big transaction, and it is very important, and it takes very less time to do a transaction. Use of MICR technology, CTC, CTS, check truncation system, electronic clearing services, ECS credit, ECS debit, electronic fund transfer. Electronic fund transfer will also take a very less time to transfer a fund. It is very useful technology. Real-time gross settlement, core banking solution, development of distribution channel, automated teller machine. Automated teller machine is the very essential part, because it reduces the rows of bank up to withdraw money or deposit money. The rush of banking is reduced by this automatic teller machine, and we don't want to carry a huge amount of cash, because everywhere ATMs are established, so that there is no need to carry more cash as per our requirement. Phone banking. By the phone banking we can do a transaction, so that phone banking is also important thing. Telebanking is also related to mobile. Telebanking means the sum of transaction are done by a mobile phone. Internet banking is also like a phone banking. Through the internet the transaction are carried out, and it takes very less time without going any bank. So these are the IT devices in banking services. It means that the technology develops the banking sector, and it will in future also technology will use in banking, and it will help to grow. Okay, thank you very much to watching the video.